This is designed for non-destructive automated disassembly for repair and remanufacture. This is a QR bolt-on computer mouse. Can a robot disassemble this non-destructively? No. But why? There are a few issues in disassembly. There are snap fits, adhesives that need peeling, hidden fasteners underneath the adhesives, and once unlocked we come across more snap fits, hidden this time. Some product manipulations are needed throughout the disassembly. And some more hidden snap fits. Some quite dexterous operations required in small spaces. And commonly in electronics, flexible cables and plugs. Some parts also have very small grasping areas. All features that make the computer mouse unsuited for automated disassembly. This mouse was redesigned for automated disassembly by an experimental disassembly cell. To demonstrate, the automated disassembly is shown. The disassembly runs a sequence of 11 pre-programmed steps. First, the battery cover bolt is removed with an electromagnetic screwdriver. Next, a suction cup is used to remove the battery cover. The clickers are similarly removed by the suction cup. The upper housing bolt is removed next. With the removal of the bolt, the upper housing can be extracted, which is also held in place with hooks at the front. The upper PCB is removed, which is connected using a board-to-board connector. The last bolt holding the PCB is removed. Subsequently, the main PCB is removed, which is also held by hooks at the front. The laser reflector is lifted after being held in place by the main PCB. The back pad is removed from its fit. Finally, the front pad is removed. With this, the automated assembly is complete. The redesign of the computer mouse is thus suitable for automated disassembly.